every one of you. I'm Siddhi Karambelkar and I'm here to introduce myself today. I've been a cabin crew for about 10 years and a soft skill instructor for 1 year, and that's when I realized how important it is to look good and feel beautiful. When you walk with style and grace, you can actually see that the whole world stops and looks at you, thinking in their head just once, I wish I was that. Well, here's your opportunity to actually be that person. This is a huge shout for all those women who are out there handling their personal and professional life in such a fabulous manner. They keep everyone else's happiness way before their own, and they're happy about that. Kudos to that. Well, you can go out there and conquer the corporate world as you have so much in you, just with concentrating about your appearance a little bit. Let's start off with our hairstyles. Understand what your face structure is and have your hairstyle accordingly. Short hair always makes you look way younger than what you are. But if you have a big face, then short hair would just not do. If you have a huge forehead, go ahead and conceal it with fringes or flicks. That will help. A nice well-kept puff would also be just right. A high pony makes you again look younger than a low pony. Have neat and tidy hair. You can use a little bit of gel if you have very frizzy hair. That's the right attire for your corporate look. Moving on, your face structure. Well, it is considered unethical to go out there without any makeup at all. It does give an appearance that you're straight out of bed, and if you don't take yourself seriously, who else will? So do apply just basic makeup. Use a primer that helps you blend your makeup. Go ahead and correct foundation and concealer is extremely important. If it is too light or too fair, that will make you look cakey and fake. If it is too dark, then it will be of no use at all. So the right concealer and foundation to conceal your blemishes and dark circles. Moving on to your eyes, it is important that you enlighten or highlight your eyes. Why? Because when you make a statement out there in the corporate world, which is extremely important, it has to make sense, it has to go by the way you talk. And your eyes are the windows of your soul. So if your eyes are dead and they don't talk at all, it's not going to work. So how will you enlighten or accentuate your eyes? Use a nice light eyeshadow, which could be pinks or peaches, which I would go for. A liner and mascara, which opens up your eyes. Mascara again is very important. And a stroke of kajal. Just fine. Moving on to your blushers. Well, the right area for a blusher again is very important. It's between the cheekbone and the jawline is where you apply your blusher. Don't restrict it to just that. You can blend it well. Highlighter would always be on your cheekbone, your nose, and a little bit on your forehead. Moving on to your lips, make sure that you use light shades, again, pinks or peaches, which just work fine. Make sure that they are matte look, not glossy, because gloss in a corporate world will put across negative attention as it ends up accentuating your lips area. So that is something that we do not like. Moving on to your jewelry. Pearls are my personal favorite. Pearls make you look very elegant and graceful. So diamond studs and pearls would just do fine. And a nice watch with, usually I would consider a belt watch. No danglers, because if you're giving a presentation, it would kind of move on your attention to your danglers rather than what you mean to say or what you want to say. Your attire, for those who have a perfect body, go out there and try all the various styles that we have in the market today. Pants, formal pants which are tapered down, skirts. When you wear pants, also make sure that you tuck in your shirt with a nice fancy belt. Browns or blacks is what I would say, which should match what footwear you wear. Ruffled shirts with collars, with high necks, they look just fine. For those who have a heavy tummy or a heavy thigh area, this is for them. Make sure that you wear something that puts your attention elsewhere, like a ruffled neck would do. Choose your fabric correctly, nothing that is body hugging, because that would again break the deal. When you wear your maybe a dress, a flowy dress, make sure that you have vertical lines, which will make you look thinner, rather than horizontal, which will make you look wider. Choose your colors correctly. Dark colors like blacks or navy blues would make you look thinner any day. For those who have heavy thighs, please don't go ahead for tight skinny fitting pants or tapered pants and tuck in your shirt, because that will always make you look huger than what you already are. Try using a shirt size which is a little bigger than what your actual size is, and people are going to wonder, how did you lose all that weight? Just dress up smartly, which is important. When we come to our other Indian or ethnic attire, that also works just fine. Kurtis or saris also makes you look extremely elegant. Choose your colors right. Make sure you don't have too much of floral print on it, because then that will not go in the formal look. Make sure that you wear, when you come to your footwear, with Indian attire, you should always have open-toed shoes, and for Western attire, it should always be closed-toed shoes. Go for dark colors like blacks and browns, which would do just fine. Also remember that flat shoes gives you a little bit of a duck walk, so go for a little bit of heels on your shoes, not stilettos, because you need to be comfortable for the rest of your day, moving around, having a productive day. So comfortable, but a little bit of heels will completely enhance your walking style and your standing style. So this is the right attire for your corporate wear. You follow these simple steps and trust me, you're going to go out there and conquer that world. Stay beautiful, be glamorous, and be you. Thank you for watching this, and if you have any kind of feedback, any kind of things that you want me to talk on, go ahead and write it in your comments. Thank you very much once again, hoping to see you soon.